Namaskara. So, my name is Vishal Atreya. Tatsama Tadbhava is my debut film. So, when I started writing the film, for me, it's a crime thriller basically. It's an investigative crime thriller where a woman goes into the police station, she lodges a complaint saying that her husband is missing. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು here what I wanted to concentrate on was rather than the investigation, I wanted to concentrate on the interrogations that happen because that is where the cases are cracked in real life. So that is what we wanted to bring it on screen. So, and I think when we started the film, we had a lot of doubts and a lot of hesitations whether we'll be able to achieve this or not, and whether will the audience accept it or not. But gratefully, I got a really good production houses, producers, and the artists were, they believed in the concept, that believed in me, and we were able to execute it. And the film released in theaters, it crossed 25 days, so it was a really big success in the theaters. And then it went on to release on Amazon Prime also. And in Amazon, as soon as it released, it started trending. So in 3 weeks, it was in the top 10 films in India. So probably after that, coming to Bangalore International Film Festival was something really, really special. And here, our film got screened on Sunday. So we were thinking that, our film is out there since almost 5 months or 6 months. And here, I didn't know how the responses would be because people have already seen the film. But to our surprise, we had a houseful show here, and the people were almost, even after the houseful show, also people were waiting outside to watch the film. So that was pretty special. So when I started, I didn't think that if you guys have seen the film, this is a star-studded film. Because our main lead, she's a big star. Our one more male protagonist, he's a big star. And it became a very big film. So, and then plus our producer, Pannagaparna sir, he's also an established director. That was one more added pressure. So handling all this, it was quite fun. So apart from the film, what we wanted to send a message out there was, this was a film which was made for Meghna. In the film, the lead protagonist Meghna, she loses her husband, and as you guys all know, in real life also she was in that situation. So when she came, this was her comeback film. So when she came onto the sets, we had to make sure, because the scenes were so similar to her life, and plus she had a baby also. So keeping everything aside, she had to come and perform the same things which was so relatable to her. So we had to make the set a really safe space for her. This was the message we wanted to send it out there, that film industry and film set is actually a safe space for women, no matter in what condition she is, whatever she's going through in her life. So that we wanted to make sure, and I think we've achieved that. And I'd like to give more, all the credits also, if possible, to Meghna itself, because without her, this film is not possible. Because she had that strength to come out once again to the film and to perform such a strong character. And I think the impact and the message that I would say is, Tatsama Tadbhava, Meghna is a symbol of hope for all the women out there. So that is something I think we have achieved today, is what I feel. And thanks everyone for coming out here and giving your time. And ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.